Good day, everybody. Welcome to Flip.live. In today, we're going to cover how to join our Telegram subscription using the web access version on your desktop or laptop. At the very first stage, look out for the I want to be button found on the website, as well as the send message followed by the link provided. Let me explain. On the left hand side, you can see a web browser. So scroll down until you can find the I want to be button. Click on it and you'll be sent to a Telegram bot link. To launch the bot on your browser, click the send message button. Once there, your Telegram app on your computer should pop up with a flip bot. Once on Telegram, click on the start button if it's available. If not, type in \START. I repeat, you either click on the start button or type in \START. As you can see on the right, my Telegram doesn't have the start button on screen. So I key in \START and you'll see the bot replying back to you. This means you are being successfully engaging with the Telegram bot. At the next stage, select the correct plan. In today's example, we are using the Strategic Cosmic Empowered plan. Put your mouse over the box, over the correct plan, and click. Once successful, it will show you the different payment options. Go ahead and select your preferred payment modes. Currently, the different payment modes are credit or debit card or PayPal. Once your preferred payment is approved, there will be a confirmation page on your website. And see on the left, that is the confirmation site on the left. And on the right, you can see on the Flipboard, there's a new option being appeared. So go back to Telegram and click on the Join Group button. As you can see on the right hand side, I've highlighted the Join Group button. Make sure you click on it so they can join us. I hope you find this guide to be simple and easy to follow. See you on the flip side. Goodbye.